Right. Welcome to my class, everybody. My name is Ramesh. I have 14 plus years of experience as a web developer and a trainer. So, today onwards, we are going to start the Angular classes. So, as you know, in the starting of the Angular classes, only introduction can be possible. So, first of all, I'm going to tell you the introduction about this course. So, course related information first. What are the class timings? Class timings will be 8 a.m. to 9 a.m. Then after class days will be Monday to Friday. Okay, everybody, class days will be Monday to Friday. Then after course duration, 2 to 3 months. What is that, everybody? 2 to 3 months. Understand my point? Right. And as a part of the course, you will get pre-recorded videos, not this live recorded. Okay, everybody, but I will give you pre-recorded videos, same example, same code. Okay, right. So definitely it will be helpful for you. If anything is required, those things I will record and I will upload also. Okay, that is not a problem. Understand my point? That's fine, everyone.
So these pre-recorded videos are for previous course or this course only?
This course only. See, that's what I'm doing, Chandrasekhar. Same examples. Okay. If anything is
Okay.
changed, any syntax wise, anything is changed, definitely I will
Ah,
that videos I will record and that videos I will upload also. Not a problem. Okay, Chandrasekhar.
okay.
If anything in the if anything changes in the latest version or anything, definitely
Mhm.
those videos also I will record. Those videos I will upload. Okay, Chandrasekhar.
And like this live sessions will be there or not?
See,
Like
videos
this.
wise, I'm telling Chandrasekhar, videos pre-recorded, class are live only.
Okay. Yes, sir.
Class are live class only. Videos,
Okay.
coming to videos. Videos are
Mhm.
pre-recorded videos. Okay,
Okay, sir.
Chandrasekhar? Yes.
Yes.
And example files I will give you. Okay, whatever the example files I will teach you, that example files I will give you. In that example files contains the notes. So that means I am giving the notes topic by topic. Understand my point? Respond everybody. I am giving you the notes topic by topic. Okay,
Yes.
so that whenever you want to prepare for interview or any other things also, it will be very convenient for you. Okay, everyone,
Okay.
it is very
Yes, sir.
convenient for you. Okay, right. I don't have any PDF files for material purpose, but I will give you the notes topic by topic. Okay, everyone, right.
Yes.
Yes. So then after prerequisites, what are the prerequisites to learn this course? Since this Angular is a framework, what is this, everybody? This Angular is a framework. We need to have some knowledge to learn these frameworks. Not only Angular, any type of frameworks, if you want to learn, we should have some knowledge about some particular technologies. Especially if you want to learn with this Angular type of technologies, especially if you want to learn this Angular type of technologies like frameworks, what are the technologies we need to have priorly? Prerequisite means already we should know. HTML, CSS. This knowledge we need to have. And we should know about at least basic knowledge about JavaScript also. And as a part of the course, I'm going to teach you TypeScript and those videos also I will share with you. Okay, everyone? As a part of the
Yes, sir.
course, I will share with you TypeScript and those videos also. Okay, yeah, I will teach you TypeScript and those videos also I will share it with you. TypeScript I will teach here. Understand it, everyone?
Okay.
Right.
Yes, sir.
Then after what is this? We need to bootstrap for knowledge also. At least we need to have, of course, bootstrap related knowledge also. I'm going to give you as a part of the course, but that related to grid system, which is used for responsive design. Understand my point? Respond everybody. Bootstrap
Yes, sir.
related grid system related knowledge I will give you as a part of the course. Okay,
Yeah.
so these are
Yes,
the prerequisites. Okay, everybody, right?
yes,
Then after, what is the project we are going to discuss in the end of the course? What are the project? We are going to do two projects. One is CRUD operations. Okay, everybody. One is CRUD operations. Create, retrieve,
Yes.
update, deleting operations by using REST API. Okay, Chandrasekhar and Murli.
Yes, sir.
Okay, and second project is a mean stack project, which is e-commerce project. Okay, which is
Okay.
e-commerce project. Mean stack means MongoDB, ExpressJS, Angular, and Node.js. See, remember this is completely Angular course only, but I am going to teach you my mean stack project. Okay, so
Yes, sir.
that what is the code? So that what happens is you will understand how to combine this Angular with MongoDB, ExpressJS also, so that you will get some extra knowledge. And other thing is, whatever the code I write, that code definitely I will explain you. Okay, everybody, I'm not going to teach you complete MongoDB and Express.js because it's only Angular course. But whatever the code I will write, that code I will explain it to you. Clear it, everyone? Clear.
Is it
Yes, sir.
MongoDB similar to SQL or Oracle? Like I can
Yeah, easily you
if
are able to relate. Easily you are able to relate. Okay, Murli?
even JDBC also, like you're saying that CRUD operations you tell with Oracle,
No,
CRUD
no.
operations
See,
with
see, Murli. CRUD operations purely REST API I will discuss. Mean stack
okay,
project. Okay, mean
okay,
stack project with MongoDB I will discuss. And unnecessarily
sure.
don't compare with all the database technologies. Every database has some similarities and some uniqueness also. Especially this MongoDB has its own unique. It is not, we should not compare with any other databases. Okay, understanding only. But easily,
Yes,
yeah, that queries easily you are able to relate with the other database queries also. I will tell that. Okay, right. For example, find will be there. That is equivalent to select star from users. I will select star from table name. In normal databases, we will write select star from users. Or else, then what happens? All the data comes from the users. But here, users dot find. Then what happens? All the data in the users will come. That type of things will be there. That's it. Okay, Murli. Small changes only. Hello.
yes,
All right. Chandrasekhar, understanding that.
Yes, sir.
yes, yes.
All right. So this is it. Okay. Yeah. Now I'm going to show you that project, which is mean stack. Give me a second. Right. See here, everyone.
Yes, sir.
Seeing it, everybody. This is the application we are going to do. What are the products you are seeing here? These are all comes under. So these are all comes from the MongoDB database only.
Okay.
Understanding it? So this data is
Yes.
coming from the database. We are connecting with this. Wait 1 second. Yes. All the things are coming from database only. And if you observe here, I am searching for example, pizza. I will see there. ABC I am searching. So see it everybody in this all the products do we have ABC? See this name is pizza pepperoni, fried potatoes, chicken soup, vegetable pizza, meatball, hamburger, magenta pizza, spicy cheeseburger. Right, everybody? These are products I have.
Mm,
But do we have any product with the name ABC?
No,
Do we have? No.
no, no,
What is we are getting?
nothing.
Nothing found
nothing.
research search. Okay. Now type there pizza. Pizza is at least three products are there. Click there. How many products we are getting? Three.
Three. Mm,
Three.
Okay. So search functionality also included as a part of the project. Okay, everybody. Right.
yes.
Okay.
Somebody what they will do, they don't search. They want to see all this like a categories with count.
Mm,
Okay. For example, total I have eight. In this eight, six foods comes under fast food. 5 foods comes under lunch, 3 foods are pizzas only, 2 are slow food. See, pizza itself a category also there because of this it's famous. Okay,
Yes.
right, fame. Slow food. Soup is one, hamburger one, fry one, burger one. For example, fry. How many we are getting? Fried potatoes, only one. How much count I'm displaying here? Only one. This count also coming from the dynamically from the database only. Okay, I'm not keeping this 1 to 5. These things are not statical. I am keeping here. Each and everything coming dynamically. Okay, understand it,
Yes.
everybody. Right.
Yes.
So all these images are in MongoDB or it is locally
MongoDB.
stored?
MongoDB.
MongoDB. Okay.
Yes. For example, fast food. See there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 foods. All 8. So total how many we are getting? All 8 also. So set related functionality also there. Tax. This can be called as tax also. This functionality also there. Okay, right. For example, I want to add, I want to purchase this. Now click there. See it. What is this page can be called as details page. What is everybody? Details page.
Yes, sir.
And here, if you want, you can create add to cart also. See it, everybody. Details functionality also there. See, back one is what? Details. Okay, this page also there. Details functionality also. Then after add to cart. See it, everybody. Add to cart means cart page functionality also there. Okay, so item name, item name, quantity, price. Okay, remove or anything. Then after count and everything. Now see it, I am changing the this thing quantity. Change it to $20 or not. Respond everybody.
Yes.
Yes.
And here also it is updated or not. See here. So this is what, this is the header part. What is this, everybody? Header part. So this is what, this is the cart page. So if you are manipulating the cart, it is manipulating the header section also, which is purely okay, real time work only. Of course, everything is real time, but I can observe here practically. Okay, and not only that, come click on the home page one more time. Now click on the fried potatoes. Now again click on the add to cart. So totally previously 2, now is 1. So totally 3 products are there. Understand it? Okay.
Yes.
Right. Then after see the count, total count is 3 and now it is $22. This is individual car total. This is the total items car total. Clear it, everyone?
Yes.
And did I log in? See, this is what, this is for login. That means I did not log in previously. Now click on the checkout. Am I going to checkout page or else login page? Where I am going? Checkout page or login? Login page. So without login, if you try to check out also, it is not going to checkout page. Okay. So that condition also we are checking. Okay. Login or register. So can you log in without register? No. If you want, you can click on the register also. This is for registration. Okay, everybody. I have already registered. So that's why I'm clicking on login. So now right there, Ramesh@gmail.com.
These are just dummy or real time we are verifying with the database or something.
Already I told right, Murli, this is database only. Hello.
Yes.
Database only I told right. From the database only we are utilizing right. From the starting of the application, I told right. This database.
Login also we are verifying.
See, once,
Like
see, yeah, database only, Murli. Okay. From the
okay.
database.
Okay.
See it now. Now see it, what is this page? Checkout page. And see, whenever you log in again, it is not displaying here login. What is displaying? My name, Ramesh.
Yes.
Logout page also. Okay, right. This is what page? This is checkout page. Okay, everyone see it. Cart page also is still same 3. And here I am displaying my name and address and my items, whatever I have added to the cart. And I cannot change here. Just I can see the information. Here, if you want, you can change. And here we need to pick the delivery location, find domain location. Okay, everybody? Right.
Yes.
Go to payment. Up to here, I will teach as a part of the course. Go to payment. Up to here, up to this page, up to checkout page. Okay, everyone? Hello. respond. That
Yes,
means
sir.
this
Yes.
is including
Yes.
the maps also. And one more thing extra, what I will teach you is how to create the PayPal developer account also. Okay, everybody,
Mhm.
how to create the PayPal developer account also. Up to here, I will teach you. See it. PayPal payment button. This is what. Here you cannot change anything. Pay with PayPal. How to create that PayPal account and everything, I am going to teach you as a part of the course also. Clear it, everybody? Respond, please.
Yes.
Yes,
We are
sir.
not able to pay here, but this is local application. Just I will tell you how to create the developer account. That's it. Okay, everyone. This is a beautiful project we are going to do as a part of the course. Okay,
So
right.
by doing this, if we require to add the real payment option over there, can we do that?
That's what I'm telling Chandrasekhar.
Uh,
How to
yes,
create
sir.
the PayPal developer account? I will tell you that. We are not able to pay
Okay.
here. Okay, up to here
Okay.
it is enough. So
Mhm.
if you get an opportunity to work in a company,
Mhm.
automatically your senior will teach you how to do that by doing the practice.
Okay.
Okay, so
Yes.
everything. Okay, so just that type of thing. So they will guide you also. Not that is not a problem. This thing is you need to aware of that. Okay, right.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Yeah, that's it. So that's it, everybody. This is a class for today. Okay, so please don't mind. Okay, so just I'm dedicating the center class for the project only. Understand right, my friend?
Okay.
Okay, right.
Yes.
That means I want to show you the introduction of the project. This thing, uh, course. What is the class timings, and what is the project and everything. What is the things we are going to discuss as a part of the course. That's it. Okay, leave it like this. So tomorrow class will meet. We'll discuss about the topics. That means what is Angular, who developed Angular, what is the purpose. Okay, everything I'm going to explain from tomorrow onwards. Clear it, everyone?
Yes,
Chandrasekhar?
sir.
Yes.
Okay, right.
So
Thank
we
you
are
very much.
starting regular class from tomorrow. Sorry. Hello, sir.
See,
Hello.
Chandrasekhar. 1 second, wait.
Ah,
1 second. Yeah, yeah. 1 second, wait.